there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone. And on the right, the TOMZON A23 Mini Drone. Buckle up, because it's about to get droney in here. Let's get started with the most important category, the price. DEERC D20 comes in at a cool $69, while the TOMZON A23 is a budget-friendly $39. So if you're looking to save some cash for your next pizza night, TOMZON's got your back. First up, camera quality. DEERC D20 boasts a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera. You can take aerial photos and videos that might just make your Instagram followers think you're a professional drone pilot. Meanwhile, TOMZON A23, well, let's just say it's more about the experience than the visuals. If you want to capture your epic backyard barbecue in HD, DEERC D20 is your guy. Reviewers love the D20's camera for its clarity, while the A23 is noted more for its fun factor than its visual prowess. Now let's talk ease of use. DEERC D20 is like that overachieving kid in class. It has one key start, landing, altitude hold, and even voice control. You can literally tell it to take off or land, and it listens. TOMZON A23, on the other hand, is the fun kid who brings cupcakes to school. It offers one key takeoff and even a throw-to-go feature. Just toss it in the air and it's off. Perfect for beginners and those who prefer their drones with a side of fun. Reviewers appreciate the D20's advanced features, while the A23's simplicity and fun features make it a hit among kids and beginners. Safety first, folks! DEERC D20 comes with low-power alarms, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards. It's like having a helicopter parent, always watching out for you. TOMZON A23 isn't far behind with its tough materials and double propeller guards. Both drones are built to survive those inevitable tree encounters. Reviewers of the D20 appreciate its safety features, while A23 users note its durability and build quality. Battery life is crucial, especially when you're in the middle of showing off your drone skills. DEERC D20 offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. TOMZON A23 gives you 18 minutes, just enough time to impress your friends and then blame the battery when you crash. Close call, but DEERC D20 takes a slight edge here. Reviewers of the D20 appreciate the extended flight time, while A23 users find its battery life adequate but note the quick charging time. Let's not forget the fun stuff. DEERC D20 can perform 3D flips and follow waypoints you draw on your smartphone. It's like a mini aerial acrobat. TOMZON A23 isn't slacking either. It does 3D flips, high-speed auto rotation, and circle fly. Plus, it has colorful LED lights that make it look like a flying disco ball at night. If you want to put on a drone stunt show, either drone will do the trick. Reviewers of both drones enjoy the fun features, with the D20's waypoint feature standing out and the A23's LED lights being a hit. Summarizing the reviews, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is praised for its camera quality, advanced features, and safety measures, making it a great choice for beginners who want a bit more from their drone. The TOMZON A23 Mini Drone, on the other hand, is loved for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it perfect for kids and those new to drone flying. So which mini drone should you buy? If you're looking for a drone with a better camera and a few more advanced features, go with the DEERC D20. But if you're on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-use drone, the TOMZON A23 is your new best friend. Either way, you are in for a good time. Thanks for watching, Smart Shoppers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.